By the way, once I repo a car, I don't return it. I do not return it. What would change if I return it? All of a sudden, they're going to become responsible? I don't think so. I've been around the block. They never do. It's just more heartache. It's a complete pain in the butt. So, I'm gonna get her ready. I'm gonna clean her up. And I'm gonna get her ready for a client that hopefully wants to change their life and be responsible for once. Laters.